Today we're going to learn how to create a Google site. We will use these for projects and your own personal online portfolio of schoolwork. You will begin by going to sites.google.com. When you get here, you want to look in the right-hand column and make sure that you are under the correct profile. There are many templates from which you could choose, but today we are going to start with a blank slate. So you will choose blank here. Begin by giving your site a title. Then choose a theme you'd like to use for your site. All aspects of your site will transform to this theme. You can do that here. You can change colors to further customize it. Then go back to the Insert tab. Your heading is the first thing your website viewer will see, so you want it to be eye-catching and attractive. You can change your header type here. It can be a full cover, a large banner, a standard size banner, or the title only. You can also change the image. You can upload one from your own device, or you can select an image that Google has already created. Google's creation interface is very user-friendly. For the most part, you can simply click on an icon and it inputs it into your site, or you can drag and drop it from the layout options here. For example, you can simply click here to add a text box, and you have all of the normal formatting features of the text box. If you wanted to change the color of the text box, you could do that here. If you wanted to duplicate this text box, you would do that here. Or if you wanted to delete it altogether, you would do that here. You can insert images, whether you upload them from your own device or select them from the Google images already uploaded. You could embed another website if that's necessary, or you could share something from your drive. Here you can change the layout of your page. This icon here that looks like a mountain with either a sun or a moon is an image icon. You can drag and drop that where you want it on your page. You can again have the options of changing the color, duplicating it, or deleting it here. To push this plus button, you're able to upload a picture. You could select an image. You can choose one from your drive. You can upload a YouTube video, insert a calendar, or insert a map. Here, you can add a heading, and here you could add a paragraph that would go along with this picture. You'll see that there are several different layouts. You could have 2 pictures with headings and short text beneath them, 3-picture collage, and so on. You could also include collapsible text. This is a good option if you have a long text that you want to include, but you don't want it to take your entire page. Here, you can add a heading and your text, but when your viewer sees it, they will only see a short portion of it. You could add a table of contents. An image carousel is where pictures go in a rotation, and you can add those here. If you ever needed a button that might take someone to another area, another web page, you would do that with the insert button. A divider will make a division between sections on your page. You can add a placeholder, a YouTube video, a calendar, a map, or you could add anything from the Google Suites in your Drive. Most front pages of websites give general information about the purpose of the website. For example, if you are creating a portfolio web page, your front page would focus on you and your school interests. If you are creating this website for a project, you would determine an objective for the web page, then create a general front page describing that. Greater detail about certain aspects of your web page are given on different pages. You can create different pages here. You see that you have your home page. If you want to create another one, you go here and press New Page. Your new page might be called About Me. Now you see that your theme has transferred to your new page as well, and you have the same options here. Now that you are on your About Me page, you can go back to Insert, and you have all of the same options to customize this second page yourself. You can add more. For instance, if you were creating an online portfolio, you might do a page for your personal narrative, and then you would go to Insert, and perhaps you want to include your personal narrative either in a collapsible text, or you could upload it from your docs. And you might even want to include a picture collage that would help enhance your personal narrative, or an image carousel. You can toggle between pages here. If you want to go back to your home page, you just click there, go back to Insert, and you are able to continue editing from here. If you want to collaborate on the creation of your website, you can add classmates or teachers here. Share with others. You want to make sure that if you want to collaborate on the creation of your website, you can add classmates or teachers by clicking, and then you can add anyone with a Google email address here. Then they will be able to access and edit your website as well. When you are done, or if you want to check on the progress along the way, you can click on this icon at the top that has a preview, and this will show you your website. Now you can interact with your site just like you would any other website. Once your website is complete, you can publish your site. If this is a personal portfolio website, you need to get your parents' permission before publishing. Once you have their permission, you can create your own web address. You can do this by pushing this blue Publish button and then adding your desired web name here. And this will be your personal Google site website. In most cases, for school purposes, you will need to click the box that says not to allow your web page to be displayed in Google search sites. This will help you to protect yourself. And there you should have a completed web page. When you go back to your main dashboard, you should be able to see the websites you have created. And if someone has shared one with you, they will show up here as well.